Good afternoon everyone, and welcome back to Trigonometry. We have previously found the side lengths for a right angle triangle, and now we need to determine and to find out the angles of a right angle triangle. So we'll be given a triangle, a right angle triangle of A, B and C this time. You have the length of 13.5 meters for AC, you have BC being 12 meters, and of course A, B and C being labeled as theta. The first thing that I will always do, and I find it the best, is to actually label it. So if we see the right angle triangle, if it's directly opposite side length of AB, this would be your hypotenuse. Okay, and based on the angle, 12 meters next to the angle would be your adjacent. Alright, and of course 13.5, which is side length of AC, which is directly opposite your theta, that would be of course the opposite. So now in this case, we need to form a trigonometric ratio that fits the criteria of the opposite side length and the adjacent side length. And the only way that connects the opposite and the adjacent side lengths would be tangent theta. Okay, tangent theta is the opposite over the adjacent. Alright, now we do not know the angle of ABC, which is theta, so we shall leave tangent theta as it is. The opposite side length given to you is 13.5, and adjacent would be of course 12. So as our topic is to determine the angle of A, B and also C, which is angle theta, all we need to do here is leave theta as the subject on the left hand side, and the only thing we have to do to cancel out the tangent is to have the inverse of the tangent of 13.5 divided by 12. Okay, so in your calculator, all you need to do if you want to determine the inverse of tangent is to press shift and also tangent, and it will be given to you as 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 here is referring to the inverse of a tangent. Okay, and of course you will just plug in 13.5 divided by 12, you will get 48.36646 and a bunch of whole numbers at the back. Right, depending on the question, we will try to leave it in 2 decimal places, but again read the questions carefully. So you have 48.37 degrees. Right, and of course I will always like to put 2 decimal places here. Alright, if you do not understand, you can certainly search for me or even ask me in class. Okay, thank you very much.